What up?
What up,
playas?
Alright guys, it was a little awkward. I haven't made a video in so long. I haven't said that in so long either. But finally got some time to make some content for you guys. We got some shit going on with Beto's car just to start things off good. Luckily it's not my car, it's Beto's car. You know, something's always going wrong with this car,
Why
but
is that good?
so Beto's been having problems. I know it's so random. We'll probably make another video explaining like where we've been and stuff. I don't know if it's gonna be in this video. I don't know what we're doing. I haven't done this forever.
Show them my sick ass Billy.
We're unlocking Beto's trunk in style. He's been having issues with his gas gauge, and we're tracing all the wiring and stuff, and we can't figure it out. All the wiring is good and it's still marking empty. We don't know why it's marking empty. So we're about to pull out the sending unit, and hopefully maybe the little ball, the floater, is just stuck or something, and it could be an easy fix. Got some content for you guys. Beto's taking out his speaker, and we're about to.
There, we can reach it right there.
Okay. So we have this little access hole here. This is a fuel pump.
Supposed to have a door on it, but
yeah, the door fell off. This is the fuel pump. This is a sending unit. We're about to take off the wiring from it, and well, it has like 5 screws. Screw them out, then pull out the sending unit. See, hopefully that's the issue. So I'm gonna hand Beto the camera while I get a screwdriver and let Beto record. I gotta clear the.
wait up. I gotta record this rare scene of this guy in the backyard.
Oh, yeah.
Fucking. How's this guy doing?
Welcome back to YouTube, bro.
Welcome back to the backyard. Haven't been here in
This
months.
is good. If only we had Junior here, it would be like a family reunion for YouTube.
For those of you wondering, where have we been?
Bitch.
Let me see, Dean. Try it. This is to show you guys. Wait up. Martin's fucking ass crack is in the video. Wait up. Alright, crop it. Alright, Dean. This is to show you guys my car is all metal. Put the magnet everywhere, Dean. Sticks right there. All metal, my boy. Oh, fuck.
A little bit of bond right there.
Just a little bit.
To be fair, it's a weak magnet.
Dean, hit us with a what up, players?
Whack, go home.
Go home.
What up, players?
Chee!
That's gonna be the intro to this video.
Tell us what's going on.
Alright, guys.
Can't
I
say
can already
anything
smell
again.
the gas because I just took off 3 of these screws.
How do you smell the gas if I drive my car on empty all the time?
Oh yeah, apparently to his gas gauge in his car, it's empty, but we're about to see why this thing isn't marking full. I'm assuming that the floater's stuck or something. Last screw, bro.
That was a pretty genius idea of putting that hole in the floor.
I know, it's almost like if we knew this was gonna happen.
Got one in your hand. Damn, fool, stop getting in the way of the camera, man.
You want me to do the job or make a YouTube video?
Both.
Oh, okay.
Too many people are hitting me up saying we're not fucking posting
Bruh.
anymore. What?
Where's the fucking ball?
What?
What the fuck? That's why you don't have gas. Just kidding, guys. We knew that was the issue. We took it out like last week.
Full of gas.
And it was, yeah, the little ball. It normally has like a little ping pong ball and it was full of
Go
gas.
find it. It was on the floor
Yeah,
over there
look.
somewhere.
Anyways, Beto ordered a replacement one. And hopefully that one doesn't get full of gas like this one did. Nobody's probably eating it over here.
She drank all the gas out already?
An actual ping pong ball.
Here's this one.
This is an actual ping pong ball.
Is it that one?
No.
This is another ping pong ball. What the fuck? So this is the actual ball.
That shit stinks.
And it like, it's clipped into here. And it just floats when you fill it up. But there's like a crack or something and it filled up with gas, and since it had gas inside, it was so heavy it just stayed low. So
Or maybe I was just cheap and didn't put gas in my car.
Yeah.
And another update. Tintin finally learned how to ride his bike without training wheels.
This fool's fucking, he's 15 years old and barely learned how to ride a bike, man.
He's only 136 weeks.
Okay, so Beto ordered the wrong one, but this is still gonna work either way.
I ordered the right one. They sent me the wrong one.
Yeah. So basically, we're gonna take this stick out and make sure this is the same length to be marking full and empty.
Make it work.
Yeah, we'll make this work. So we're gonna get. Okay. So when you're making these, they come with a long stick like this, but you're supposed to get the measurement of your tank and everything, and basically make this when your tank is full and this when your tank is empty. So now that we have this little block or whatever, we're gonna make it the same. So when this is full,
Same length.
we gotta make this square be full like that. So we're gonna cut this like right about here, and it'll be the exact same thing. Throw it in, and his gas will be marking normal again. We should have recorded showing it at empty, and then, but it pretty much stayed like this at all times, so it always marked empty. Now it's gonna be able to actually tell him how much gas he is.
Gas he is, or how much gas he has?
Yes. What she said. All right, so I'm gonna cut this, and then we'll update you guys once we put it back in the hole. There's a ball. Can we throw it back in here?
Yeah.
If I just YOLO it, it's gonna be about right. But like the ball height actually matters, you know what I'm saying?
See that grip strength, boy?
Beto didn't want to use a grinder, so. God.
Psych.
Nah, son. Here, you try it, Mr. Muscles.
Let's see that grip strength.
Oh, fuck no.
Yeah, too weak. Oh yeah, wait. Nova. Weak.
Fuck no.
One more. This is it.
Third time's a charm. Oh! Okay, now we throw this bad boy into the sending unit with that little screw. Boom. Call it a day.
Boom, boom.
Welcome back to the YouTube channel, boys.
Flathead. Tell me what you just did right now.
Took it out with this little screw. Now we're gonna get this. Make sure you put it the right way, or else your gas is gonna be reading backwards. And when you're full, it's gonna say empty and empty full.
I mean, could also work too, but.
My God, this fool had to go get his heated jacket.
Oh my God, man. Who the hell is this guy? Trying to look good for the YouTube videos.
Jacket. You know what I'm saying?
Rate the drip in the
For
comments.
all you
Should have got some new boots instead with that money.
For all you fools,
Damn, that's just nice.
I left the size on there so you guys can see I'm still XL. Know what I'm saying?
You're fat.
Fool.
Everybody's saying I'm getting healthy. That's why I buy Carhartt, because their sizes are oversized.
Yeah.
I'm really
I don't know, that one looks like the buttons are about to pop off
He's really a
too.
3X. Okay, now you see, empty, and when it's full, it's gonna still float right below this, which is basically like the top of the tank. So when you top off the tank, it's gonna be full.
that fucking floater is never gonna pass this, my boy. Never gonna pass that. You know, I'm pumping $20 every other day.
That's me in the truck, dude.
I always see you guys going
Back
to
to
work
install.
at the gas station like all the time. I'm like,
Fred would fucking stop and put $5 in gas.
Enough to get us there. Turn it off and then on.
Fool, my boy. Damn, I don't gotta go to the gas station anymore. Let's go.
I just left it up and reset it. It probably isn't. It probably doesn't update immediately.
Yeah, it probably doesn't.
I put it on empty. Has it moved?
No.
Okay, let's just put it in then.
put it like halfway and see what it does.
All right, turn it off.
All right.
Now.
Halfway.
Half.
Yeah.
Okay, turn it off.
My boy, put that shit on full, man. Don't want to go to the gas station. Pimp. Finally. When installing, you have to have this stance also, or else it will not work.
When installing, you also have to get your brother to install everything and you not do shit.
Just record, you know?
Yeah. I'll keep talking shit, fool. I knew.
Also got a new radiator for this shit.
Oh yeah, I was gonna
That's why
record last week.
all the cooling cans are here, and
got mad at me
this
and
was supposed to record
Beto-
last week,
I was
but
supposed to
he
record
got
last
fucking
week,
lazy and
but
did
Beto
not
got mad and
record.
started crying because it started raining, and I came back 5 minutes later when it stopped, and Beto was done already. So, thank Beto for the loss of content. So right now, we pretty much have this little gas problem, and I don't know, we're gonna try to figure out some more stuff to record, trying to get the YouTube channel going again.
Maybe we might start working on this fucking junk right here.
Everybody leave in the comments, tell Martin to hurry up and work on my fucking car. We're trying to get the bodywork done, get it painted, but you know,
This guy just wants to be going buy new sweaters instead of, you know?
Yeah, he's trying to buy Carhartt sweaters instead of work on our car, so. Roast him in the comments, tell him to hurry up so you get some content going for the channel again. We've been busy, guys. We've been having some things going on in life, you know? Shit happens. So we've been away from the YouTube game for a minute.
But we're back now.
We're back now. I'm gonna try to stay consistent with it again. I mean, we really don't have much content because we haven't been doing shit to the cars, but we're gonna try to keep things going. Try to get some videos out there, maybe hit some shows. Everybody's been commenting where the videos at. Gonna try to get some stuff going. We have a little bit more time. So yeah, like I said, we'll probably try to hit some car shows. Take a car out every once in a while, get some content.
Alright. Thumbnail again?
What up, playas? Finally back with another video. I don't know how this intro is gonna go, but
Put
we can't be having that. That's gonna be part of the joke.